Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Guys, this video is an amazing video that I'm about to do and I'm so excited. So YouTube sent me a Christmas package. So basically we did a challenge in our community. It was called Timoto Challenge, where we had to post shorts and at the end of the program they sent us like a gift basically for participating in that challenge. And I'm so excited to actually like unbox this for you guys. This is the box right here and let's get into the unboxing. So let's open it up. Oh my god, it has YouTube written in the carton. Oh my goodness, guys, look at it. It has YouTube written on it here. Now it's time to unbox the main thing. So we have a card here that says happy holidays. Oh, it's a Christmas package. I can't wait. I can already see. Oh my god. So it says, dear creator, a little gift from the YouTube team to you to reward you for all your amazing creativity. And then on the back here it says YouTube. Guys, look at it. These are the snowflakes. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's put it here. Then we have should I open this first or this? Let's open the box first. So what's here? Okay, I think this is just for the packaging to pad it basically. And then we have this package. It says Google official merch shop, and then the YouTube logo, Google official merch shop. So this package came from the United Kingdom. Okay, let's put this here. Okay, I need to be really careful here because I don't know if the thing in here is actually really fragile. So okay. Oh my god, guys, it's a snow globe. Oh my god, I've always wanted a snow globe like since I was little, and YouTube just made it happen. Oh my god, YouTube made it happen for me. Look at the YouTube logo inside. Wow. So I'm going to keep this here, and then this is the final thing in the box. So this is it. Okay, let's open this up. So I took this in a size small, so yeah. Oh my god, it's a Christmas sweater. Wow, it has YouTube written on it. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is amazing. I'm going to wear it so you guys can see it on my body. Oh my god, it has YouTube on the back as well. Wow, this is amazing. Oh my god. So guys, this is what YouTube sent me. I am super excited, guys. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love how it looks on my body. I love how it fits my small size correctly. Wow, this is super amazing. This is so amazing. And guys, that's all I have for this video. This was an amazing early Christmas gift from YouTube. Guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle. Joining us in membership gives you access to videos firsthand. Thank you so much for everything, guys. I sincerely want to thank you for everything. It's because of you I have this gift in my hand. If you don't watch my videos, if you're not subscribed, guys, I won't be able to get this gift, and I'm super excited. Please don't forget to like this video, share within and outside your circle. Until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.